How to cook a steak!
Disclaimer, I am not affiliated with any of the products in this video. There are many ways to cook a steak. This is just one of my favorites. I hope it will give you some ideas and inspiration. Enjoy!
You will need steak, marinating mix, fresh fruit, which is optional.
First, you're going to want to cut up your pineapple. Second, you'll want to extract the pineapple juice. Third, you want to mix your marinating packet and the pineapple juice together. Now, dip the steak, making sure to coat both sides. Yes, I had 2 steaks in this example, so they did not fit properly in this small container. Make sure you seal the container. Now, store it in the fridge for 30 minutes or up to 8 hours. Now, grill it on medium low for 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, flip it and cook it another 6 minutes. Once it's all done, make sure you cut it open and check for desired doneness. Yes, that is nice and juicy and pink. Maybe a little too pink. For me. But not for everyone. Enjoy. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe!